Today I have a quick little project that I'm working on, and this is a Sena S20 that goes on my motorcycle helmet. And I let the battery go down all the way, and so I need to take this apart and put a new battery in it. Now, Sena says that this is not serviceable, but it actually is serviceable. And so we're going to take it apart today, put a new battery in it that I got off of Amazon, and see if it'll work. So let's jump into this. Don't have great light in here, but we'll just make do with what we've got. I think once I get these started, should be able to undo them. There's the first one, and yes, they are dirty. You know, I'm by no means saying that there's anything wrong with this Sena. I want to say that this unit is 6 years old. So the battery's actually held up really well. And I believe that if I hadn't have let it die 100%, the battery would probably still be good. And I tried shocking the battery, but it just wouldn't recognize it in charge. So I think the battery just completely died. So I believe I've got to pop this. I believe I have to pop that off. Don't really have all the tools that I need to. There we go. All I'm doing is just pulling this apart. And I do believe I've got to pop this. Probably go out in the shop and get a screwdriver, but I figure if I ruin it, there we go. This is actually got a little snap ring around the inside. I don't know if you can see it. A little snap. Got little lips on it right there. And it goes down in that corner there. And I believe I can get it apart now. Yes, I believe I can. Now, I might need to pull this apart over here. There's one more screw right there that I didn't get, which I could pull all I wanted, and this thing wasn't coming apart. I've never had these apart before, so yeah, there we go. All right, we're apart, and you can see that's what this plugged into here, and so that definitely had to come off. I believe there's a little bit of glue down on that, yes. Some double stick tape. it just pops off. There's the old battery. There's the double stick tape. And then the new battery I'll put in. So it looks like they're just almost, they're so close to being identical. I'm going to take that, wrap that around. No, it's probably not easy to see. I'll plug that in. And then this was kind of wrapped around here. That battery went in there. Just like that. Got its own little hole. Slide this back together. There we go. Tighten this up. Now, I did not test this battery prior to putting it on, just assuming that it's good, which may be a bad assumption, but we'll see. Making sure I'm getting this to squeeze back down like it's supposed to on that gasket so it stays waterproof. Or, I don't think waterproof is the right term for this. I think it's water resistant. So making sure I've got everything snug. Yeah, that's pulling down really well. Yeah, that's spectacular. There you go. It works. Absolutely works. So I'm going to finish putting this together. Snap the lid back on it. I'm going to turn that off. There we go. Oh. There we go. Turn that off. I'm going to snap that back on. There we go. Snapped into place. I will come back in a minute when I've got it on the helmet and pair it up. But that was pretty simple. Quick change on the battery. That's the old one. Put a new one in. And instead of spending hundreds of dollars on a new Sena communications, I'm back up and running with this one. So I'll come back and show working on the helmet. Be right back. So now I'm going to get this clicked on so I can hear what's happening. And I'll tell you what, I'm alive again. It's just that quick and simple. That helmet's up, running. I actually run a. I don't know if you can. I don't think you can see it, but let me see here. when I run my helmet, I actually, probably, I think I'm upside down, but I wear earplugs, custom earplugs that go to a headphone jack and then a microphone inside. So that works really well with the helmet, but that's it. Super easy. Took me about 10 minutes, including filming, to change this out, and now I've got a battery that works perfectly, helmet that works fine, and ready for a trip in a couple of days. So hopefully you found something in here useful. If you got any comments, throw them down below. Like and subscribe always helps. And I'll be back on the forklift build in a couple of days. I'll have some more stuff out. So until then, have a great day. Remember, don't be afraid to try something new and get your hands dirty. All right. See you soon. Bye.